Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, which is going to be on an exchange called LeveX. Now, I have been using this and testing out this platform for, I would say, some days now, and I'm going to share the best qualities that I've found in this, and I'm going to share the what the best features I think this platform has that we don't get elsewhere. So make sure that you watch till the end because you're going to find some very important details that is going to help you in your trading experience. This is the platform LeveX, and we have two options. First of all, we have this centralized exchange. We also are going to have a Web3 version of it, in which we're going to have a decentralized exchange. We're going to have a wallet. We're going to have all of that, what we have in the DeFi. So that is something that is coming soon. Right now, we have their exchange for spot trading and also for derivatives trading. And the registering process is so straightforward. You just put in your email address, you select your password. They're going to send the code to that email address. You're going to copy that, paste it here, and that's all you need to do. And as soon as you sign in, you get $10 in position in derivatives in your private cryptocurrency. In my case, I chose XRP, but it'll be completely up to you. And then when you deposit, they have another bonus coming for that as well, for 5,000 USDT. So it is rewarding people to sign up, to deposit, to start trading, and there will be more of these bonuses, of these programs that will be coming soon. So if you want to keep yourself updated, make sure that you join their social media channels and their groups. Links will be in the description. So signing up in this is very straightforward, which is something that we do not get elsewhere. This is the official page, and we get all sorts of details on it. This is how you can create your account, put your email, password. You're just going to confirm your account by pasting the code that was sent to your email address. Afterwards, you're going to fund your account. I'm going to show you guys this very thing in their dashboard as well. So let's move forward. They have their very own application on the iOS and also on Android. So you can download it on Google Play Store if you have Android, or you can download it on the Apple App Store if you have an iOS. That means that it's not just that you are sitting in front of a monitor doing everything. You can have all of that in your smartphone. So if you're on the go, you can still manage your positions, your portfolio, everything. Now, before we talk about this whole dashboard and things that are offered here, I would say that the best thing that I found in this is the copy trading. Now, for a lot of us who don't have much experience in trading itself, but we do know people, users, or whales who we know have a proven track record that they always find a reliable cryptocurrency to invest and make profit through it. They have a proven track record to do that. We can follow their trades. You can follow their portfolio and the type of trades that they make, which means they will be copying what they do. And we can make that profit that they are making. We'll be trading on behalf of their experience, their knowledge, which is what essentially copy trading is. And that is an option that we get here, which I think is absolutely amazing. And it's very useful for beginners. So we have this option called social trading and key opinion leader profiles that is integrated into this platform. So users can follow key opinion leaders and also influencers. They can engage in copy trading and they can access real-time insights directly from trusted sources. You can't just make trade without having the right signals or these useful insights, and that is something that you can get here, which will eventually improve your profit to loss ratio in a sense. Now, like I said before, we have two options. We have spot trading and we also have derivatives trading. And as you understand, spot trading is for immediate settlement, and derivatives are for in which we can open up long and short position. We don't actually acquire the assets, but we can open long and short position depending on whether the price is, what we think is the price is going to increase or is it going to decrease. So you have that option that whether you want to do the spot trading or you want to do the derivatives trading, that will be completely optional. We got this trading view. Now, right now we are in the perpetual trade for the Bitcoin and USDT pair. You get the trading view, which is pretty straightforward, the candlestick chart. We get all the indicators right here that we can use to evaluate the pattern and to make accurate price predictions. So you can use any of your favorite indicator. I'm pretty sure all of them are right here. And you are going to make trades based on these indicators. You can open up long and short position depending on whether you think the price of Bitcoin is going to increase or is it going to decrease. You can select the different quantities, and we actually get a lot of other options. You can open up position, you can also close your position for short and also for long, and all of your open position will appear right here in the position sections. Now this is the one that I got when I open up my account and I open up the position for XRP, and up there we also get the spot wallet and also the derivatives wallet. When it comes to depositing cryptocurrency in here, because of course we need cryptocurrencies to start trading itself, we get the button right here that says deposit. This whole process is pretty straightforward. When you deposit, you get different options, USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the list actually goes forth. We have a lot of options. So you're going to select which currency you want to deposit. Let's say you want to use USDT, you want to deposit USDT. Then you're going to select the chain, ERC20, TRC20, whichever that you have that you want to deposit. And based on that, it is going to generate this QR code or this address. What you're going to do is you're going to deposit TRC20 tokens to your personal crypto deposit address. Make sure you copy the address correctly, as incorrect transfers cannot be refunded. So make sure that you copy it right here. And you're going to send the funds right here, and you're going to get those in your account. So depositing here is pretty straightforward. We also get the option to buy crypto and also sell crypto in the very same section. I'm going to show you guys in a bit. So in this section, you can buy cryptocurrency using fiat, which is really amazing. So you can purchase using either USD or Euro and Canadian dollar. You have a bunch of fiat currency that you can use. And also you can choose which currency that you want to buy here. Also, if you have crypto and you want to get fiat, you can also use this option right here. You select the cryptocurrency that you want to sell and the currency that you want to receive. And you can also, basically, you can convert fiat to crypto and crypto to fiat, which is an amazing option that we get here. We also have the rewards hub and the tournaments. I'll suggest you guys that you keep yourself updated on this, because we are going to have a lot of these contests, the bonuses, 2 of them that we are already getting, but I'm very sure that we're going to get more. So this whole interface and this whole experience is pretty straightforward. Even for beginners, it is very easy. You can engage in social trading in copy trading, so you can make trades and you can make profit without actually having all that experience and knowledge. You can make profit based on someone else's knowledge and experience. And for that person, whether he or she is a key opinion leader or an influencer, they can manage their profiles, their following, and so forth. So that is an amazing and distinctive option that we get here. And we have everything else right here, all the different options for spot trading, for derivatives trading. So everything that you can imagine to have in a cryptocurrency exchange, you get that here. And what you don't get elsewhere is a very simple and easy process to register. You don't have to go through tiresome process of verifications and KYC. You don't get into trouble for depositing cryptocurrency or converting fiat to crypto and crypto to fiat. Also, you don't get these type of rewards on signing up or depositing on other mainstream exchanges. So there's a lot of things that this one offers that you don't get elsewhere. So that's what I think makes this really amazing. I'll give you guys their links in the description. So make sure that you use those to sign up and follow their social media channels and their groups, so you can keep yourself updated on if there's any new rewards program, campaign, bonuses, which I think are going to be very rewarding. So yeah, this is all of you guys in this video. Let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.